Today we are going to discuss about list and tuples and also the basic difference between list and tuple and its methods. So first of all, I am going to discuss about the list. Here it is within the third bracket, the items, whatever the items it can be, and it is in the list. We can also give the list inside a list. So this is the basic list, and this is wrapped in the third bracket. So the first difference between the list and tuple I am going to discuss is mutability. List is mutable, like we can assign a value at any position we want. Like we are in the third index, we are going to assign 77 and it will just assign. Let's see. But in the tuple it will not assign, right? Because tuple is immutable. So it is running a little bit slow right now. Don't know why, but it is going to assign the 77 at number 4th place. Yeah, you see, the 77 is in the number 4th place. So let's run the tuple. It is definitely going to show an error. Yeah, this is showing the error. I'm going to hide this. Okay, because it is immutable. This is the main difference between list and tuple. But there are many difference between the list and tuple, like the methods. List has so many methods, but tuple doesn't have that much method. So list have append method, extend method, insert method, remove method, pop method, clear method, index method, count method, sort method, reverse method, and copy method. And tuple, just these methods are only available in tuple, count and indexed. Okay. So, and let's discuss one by one about this method. After that, we are going to discuss the other difference between the list and tuple. So first of all, let's go with the methods. This is the append method. With the append method, we will just append this element at the last of the list, or we can like say it is like look like an array, right? So at the last, it will be just appended. So let's see how what is happening here. Yeah, just like push in JavaScript, in Python it is appending the element at the last. So what is extend? Extend is also like append, but this will just like add this element at the last of the list, right? And not the like this not this list. Okay, it will just extend the element only. But if we append this list will be appended here. So let's see the example. If I run this, what happened? After 5 and 4, the 5 and 6 is appended. But if we do that, like if we just append it, let's see what happened. See, the 5 and 6 are adding as the list. So this is the basic difference. Okay, so this is the another method, insert method. What is insert method? The insert method will just insert the element at the first, right? So let's see what happened. mm, yeah, this is inserting the element at the first, at the, you can say, at the head. And this is the remove method will just remove, I am not running it, bring the element. And pop method also pop the element, like let's run the means delete the element. Yeah, what it deleted, you can say it deleted 2. This 2 is deleted here. This is the pop method. This is the clear method. Clear method will just clear the list, right? So I will run it at the last. I will run it at the last. First of all, let's see. We'll run it at last. So this is, and this is index method. Let's see. Yeah, the third is indexed at 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 3 is indexed at 4, and it will always return the first element, indexed of first element, and list dot count how many 3 is there. So it will count that 3 is there, right? It is counted rightly. List dot sort will just sort. It is showing the error because I have this. If we don't have this, it will just run it clearly. So hide this output. Let's see list the reverse. It will just reverse the list. So right. This is I will explain this later, but first of all I am going to make this video little bit short, so I am not explaining this. So this is the list of copy, and it will copy the list. And also there are the other method in tuple, that is count, tuple dot count and tuple dot index. We have seen the index and what the tuple dot count do, and also we have seen the count. Okay, right. So these are the methods of list on tuple. And what are the other difference? Like other difference, like the tuple contains one block of memory, but the list contains two block of memory. So that's why the tuple are faster when we just accessing the elements, but the list has so many methods. That's why when we perform the operation we always use list. And we sometimes we just convert the tuple into the list and perform the operation. That's it for today about the list and tuple and its difference and its methods. So we will discuss the other Python built-in functions and other things later. So thank you for today for having the patience since till the end. So I will be back very soon. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. This channel is new, but I will bring various tutorial that you need as a developer. Thank you so much.